So active recovery today for me was one of my favourite pastimes at the moment. It's forest bathing or Shirin Yoku. It's an uncomplicated practice, but it definitely is a practice. You find a place to sit or stroll, amble, slowly move in a forested setting, if you've got one. It could be your backyard. And the only thing that you're really required to do is to notice. With all of at least your 5 senses and a bunch of others, if you're into the practice. But to wonder what it smells like, to sip the air like you're sucking on a straw, and to wonder what it tastes like, to listen out for the sounds and the farthest ones, the nearest ones, and to be still and to see what you notice. It is extraordinary what you notice when you just take the time to be still. It's my day 24. Of course, a cup of tea helps as well when it's cold. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.